I'm not gonna lie, today it was a write-off. I woke up in London again, but oh god guys, honestly, I'm shattered. I hate to be a moaner, and I've really enjoyed myself the last couple of weeks, but my god, there's been so many events. I still have a lingering cold, but they were my final events of the year, and now things start to calm down before Christmas. Well, work-wise, not personal life. Anyhow, I packed up my stuff to head back home this morning. I accumulate so much stuff when I'm in London. My journey home is about 45 minutes, so I journal. So glad I took my fur coat to London, because it is so cold at the moment, guys. Played hide and seek with the doggies. They are obsessed with this game, so whenever I go away, I always do this when I return home. I missed their advent calendar for a few days, so I gave them some treats. Also, our Christmas stockings arrived. How cute are they? Nipped to Waitrose because I need to get some lunch, and I also needed to catch up on my advent calendars. And then I was meant to film, but I just didn't have it in me. So sofa snuggles with the doggies it was, and they are literally the best snugglers. Even got a little slow dance in with Big. I also missed my Nespresso machine when I was away, and my new Christmas tree mug, so I had a latte. Did a bit of work before dinner, and then we took the dogs out for a wet walk. We got drenched, but it was okay because I had sticky toffee pudding waiting at home for me.